Okay, Roxy, warmer than usual, but it's going to cool down.
That's right. Yes, cool down 2 weeks away from winter, so we'll have a little cold front for the start of the week. So got to get some ugly Christmas sweaters for your pets as well. So yeah, it's going to cool down overnight. Right now we are in the 50s, but we were actually in the 80s today. So it was a warm day, a warm weekend in general. So it was warm, but now we're starting to cool down a bit. So we're 18 days away from Christmas Day and 2 weeks away from winter. All right, so right now we are looking at 54 degrees right now. Winds are starting to pick up, so especially after midnight, those winds are really going to be picking up, and then with the cooler temps, it's going to feel pretty cold out there. So we registered 80 degrees today. The average is 66, so that's 14 degrees above the average, but now we're in the 40s and the 50s. That cold front has moved through, and we're going to get even colder. But right now we're 12 degrees cooler than we were yesterday in Kerrville, 9 degrees cooler today compared to yesterday in Bernie. So it's definitely colder tonight, and we're going to dip down to the 40s by your 2 o'clock hour. Keep in the 40s tomorrow morning for your Monday, and keep in the winds as well. So by 11 p.m., 24-mile-per-hour winds across San Antonio. Still breezy by 6 a.m., and they're not going to be winding down until noon tomorrow. So it's going to be a breezy start to our day. So bundle up the kiddos, make sure to pile on the layers. By the time the bus stop picks them up, 45 degrees. It's going to be chilly and breezy, but if we include those winds to our temperatures, it's going to feel below freezing temperatures Monday morning. 30 degrees in Kerrville, 31 in Fredericksburg, and San Marcos, 36 in San Antonio. So same thing on Tuesday. It's going to be really cold, and then by Wednesday, by the middle of the week, those afternoon highs are actually going to be in the upper 70s. So it's going to be a nice little warm up. 79 in Cotulla, 77 in Pleasanton. So we'll start to warm up by the middle of the week, but we're still going to be cold throughout the morning. But specifically Monday and Tuesday morning, it's going to be really cold out there. All right, so tomorrow your high for the start of the week, 62 degrees, mostly sunny skies. So we'll be on the cooler side of things. This cold front, though, is not going to be bringing any precipitation for the next 7 days. No more rain for the Lone Star State, at least for this week. We are staying on the drier side of things. The rain has moved into the East Coast. So what can we expect? High pressure system moves in, warmer air moves in, colder air for our friends in the Great Lakes, which means we're talking about 70s and 80s by the middle of the week. Tuesday, high of 67, 75 on Wednesday with winds from the southwest at 5 to 15 miles per hour. So we're going to be warming up nicely by the middle of the week. So 81 degrees expected on Thursday. Our next cold front is going to be on Friday, dipping us to the upper 60s, high of 56 on Saturday. It's going to be a chilly weekend next weekend. Make sure to bundle up, 60 by Sunday, and then back to the 70s by the middle of December.